So here we're looking for missing fractions, or looking for missing numbers to make equivalent fractions. And looking at this, the first one says 3 over 4. Let me write that again. 3 over 4 equal to 21 over something. Okay, let me check it out. We can check it out by saying 3 times something is 21, and that's a 7. And that 7 times 4 is going to give us 28. 28. Okay,
Okay.
so that if we reduce this, if we want to reduce it by 7, 7 here, 3, 7 here, 4, then we have our 3 over 4. Is this clear to you? Is this clear to you?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So that means, but don't write anything now, just listen, okay? Okay, good, good. So we said 3 times 7 gives us 24, 21. So that's 7 times 4 gives us 28. Okay, let's look at the second one, which is number 10. So 4 over 7 equal to 16 also over something. 4 over 7 equals 16 over something. Now, 4 times 4 gives us 16. So this 4 times the 7 here also gives us 28. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, so if we want to cut it down, we can say 4 here, 4, and 4 here is 7. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have 16 over 28. Please don't write like I said. I'll give you time to write. I just want you to listen so that you can get it perfectly well. Okay? Number 3, which is number 11. 5 over 6 equal to something over 48. 5 over 6 gives us something over 48. Now, if I put 48 here, 6 times what will give me 48? That is 6 times 8, right?
Yeah.
That 8 times 5 is going to give me 40. Okay,
Okay.
good. And if I reduce it down, I can say 8 here, 5, 8 here, 6, and that still gives us 5 over 6. Okay,
Okay.
good. Then number 4, which is number 12. So 11 over 30 equal to something over 120. 11 over 30 equal to something over 120. So 30 times what will give me 120? That's times 4. So 4 times 11 is going to give me what? 44. Is that clear to you? Good. Then we can move to the next one, which is number 5 on our correction list. We have 2 over 5. 2 over 5 equal to 10 over something. Okay? 2 over 5 equal to what? 10 over something. So 2 times what will give me 10? 2 times what will give me 10? Annabelle. Annabelle, can you hear me? Yeah,
Yeah.
2 times what will give me 10?
Two. 2 times 10.
2
I
times,
mean,
yeah,
2 times 5.
good, good, 2 times 5. So 5 times 5 gives me what? 25. Okay, so if I cut it down, I can say 5a, 2, and 5a, 5. That's how to check the work and give me 2 over 5. Okay, yeah, so the next number, which is number 6, and let's stand as number 14 on our question list. So, number 6, I have 3 over 11, 3 over 11 equal 27 over something. 3 times what will give me 27? 3 times what will give me 27?
Three times 4.
No, 3 times 4 is 12.
3 times 5.
3 times 5 is 15.
3 times 8.
3 times 8 is 24.
Mm.
Mhm.
3 times 9.
Good. 3 times 9. So 9 times 11 gives me 99. Okay.
Okay.
So if I say 9 3, 9 11, okay, that is 9 in 27 is 3, 9 in 99 is 11. So it's equal to the fraction we started with. Then number 7, we have 3 over 7 equal to something over 84. So 7 times what will give me 84?
36.
Now 7 times 12. 7 times what will it? Okay, you mean the answer should be 36, right?
Yeah.
That's correct because 7 times 12 give me 84. Then 12 times 3 is 36. Okay. Then number 8, which is about the last question there. So 9 over 25 equal to something over 100. So what do you think the answer should be for this one? Yeah. What should be the answer for this last one?
The answer for this question should be 36.
36, that's correct. Can you tell me how you arrive at 36?
Um, be, because I just discovered what 9 times something equals 36.
Okay, I think what
Then
what you wanted to say was 25 times 1 or 4, okay, gives us 100, right? And that 4 times 9 gives us 36. Okay?
yeah.
Yeah, so I think, let me see. I want to return this 36 there. Okay, 36. All right, so do you understand this now? Now let's check the
Yeah.
ones. You got this one correct. This 36, that's correct. Did you get this 44? 11 over 30. Where is 11? Yeah, you got it right. That's correct. Did you get this 84? Yeah, that's correct. Did you get this 5 over 6? That's 40. Okay, you changed it later, right? Okay, that's correct. Okay, now this one also is 99, right?
Yeah.
3 over 11. Okay, that means you later corrected yourself, and that's good. And what about this one? 3 over 4 and 21, 28. That's correct too. And this, okay, you later change this one also to 25, right? Okay, next time. So whenever you are changing, you make sure you erase and put the answer into the box, okay?
Okay.
So
Because time I didn't have a razor.
Okay, okay. That's why I was looking at all of those. I was like, maybe they were wrong, but now I can see it's correct. They're all correct, and this is an excellent job. Okay,
Mm,
excellent job. All right. That means you can already do equivalent fraction, right? Okay.
yeah, I done it at school before.
Yeah. So I'm gonna do something now. We're gonna do another kind of equivalent fraction. Just hold on a bit, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, hold on a bit. Set of For multi-step equivalent fractions, we'll be given some set of fractions with some missing gaps, and you'll be asked to fill in the gaps. Okay, you'll be asked to fill in the gaps. Like, let me take an example. If I have, let's say, try and see something that looks like that. If I have something like, let's say, 1 over 3 equal to 7 over something, also equal to something over 9, then this one also, let's say, equal to, let's say, 3 over something, and let's just leave it at this 3. Okay,
Okay.
now what we need to consider here
Um,
is,
we have we have to find out what is 7. What is 1 times something equals 7, which is
yes,
7 times 3 by 7.
so if I times 3 by 7, it's going to give me 21, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So how about the next one?
Um, and we had to we had to find out how what's 9 times something equals 21.
Okay, but it will not work, okay?
Okay.
That is why we'll consider from the first to this, okay? So 3 times what will give me 9?
Three, three,
3 times 3, right?
9,
Yeah. So
3,
that 3 times
8.
1 is going to give us 3 here, okay? Is that clear?
Okay.
Yeah. Then how about this one? How
Um,
can we get this one?
I think you have to times the 3 by 9.
Now, 3 times what will give me 3?
3, 3, 1.
So 1 times 9 is still 9. So this is still equal, okay?
Okay.
Good. But let's look at another example. Like maybe we have 2 over 3 equal to something over 9, also equal to 12 over something, then equal to something over 21. So to do this, we'll use the same method. 3 times what will give me 9?
Um,
3 times what will give me 9?
Okay.
That's 3. Now that 3 times 2 gives me what?
6.
6. Then we can still compare between 6 and 12, okay? So if that
2.
is not possible, if that is, yeah, good. If that is not possible, that's when we'll go to the first one to compare. So this
And
is 2.
then the answer times 9 is 2. I mean, the answer times 9 is the 18.
Good. 18. That's clear now, right? Now, we cannot compare this. It's not possible, okay? Is that clear? And we cannot compare these two. It's not possible, okay?
Okay.
Then we can compare from the front to this place. Okay, good. 3 times what gives me
And
21?
7. That is
7.
7.
So 7 times 2.
7 times 2. So the answer is 2.
That's what?
The answer is 2.
No, 7 times 2 is what?
7 times 2 is 14.
Yeah, the answer is 14. Okay, good. Let's look at 2 more examples. Then I'll give you some to try, okay?
Okay.
Now, let's say we have number 3. Just want to remove this place and divide the page. So let's say we have the third one, number 3, as 3 over 5, 3 over 5 equal something over 25, then equal 36 over something, then equal 24, also over something. So what do you think?
I think you have to find the answer what makes 25. So
Good,
that'll be
good.
5. Then you times 5 by 3,
Okay,
which is 15.
okay, good. The next one?
Then after you have to find what 15. You have to find what 15 times something equals 36.
But that will not work. So what do we do?
Then you find out, you times 15 by 24.
Wait, wait. Do you see the yellow line?
Yeah.
So you compare this. Since this will not work, then you compare the first one, okay? So 3 times what give 36?
3 times 12.
Yeah, so what is 12 times 5?
60.
Yeah, can you see that? Right?
Mhm.
So how do we get the last one? Can you think about that?
And then you compare you compare 24 with 5.
But 24, no, 5 is at the bottom, 24 is at the top. You compare the number that's at the top with the number at the top.
36 has to be compared with 24.
But 36 and 24 will not work, so you can go to the first one. This will not work. This also will not work. Okay?
Okay.
So, what can we do? We can compare the first one now. Try that. Try that. Try that. 3 times what gives 24?
Three, three times, three times six.
Now, yeah, 3 times 6 is 18, but 3 times 4, 3 times 8 is 24, okay? So 3 times 8. So what is 8 times 5?
What did you say?
What is 8 times 5?
8 times 5. 8 times 5 is 40.
Yeah, 4. So do you understand this now? Do you understand it now? Yeah. Do you understand it? Okay, good, good. So that means I can give you classwork to try, right? Okay, let me try and give you some questions.
Are you going to give me homework?
Yeah, I'm gonna give you your work, but I just want you to try some in class right now, okay?
Okay.
Good. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's say we have class work. Okay, you can write down the notes now. Write down the examples, okay?
Okay.
So once you're through with the example,
Do I write the title as classwork?
write this title first, okay?
Okay.
Then you write the examples under it and the number 3. So after writing all of this, then you now write the classwork.
Do I also have to do the lines?
No, 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 you don't need the lines. The lines are just there to explain to you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let me see. If we add the first one, let's say 3 over 4 equal something over, say, 12, and this is also equal to something over 20. That's number 1. Then number 2, let's say we have, let's say something. We have 2 over 5. Oh, let me just check on another thing. Okay, the same 2 over 5 equal 6 over something, and this is now equal to something over 20. So you're going to do these 2 questions when you're through with that, okay? Is that clear? Yeah. So once you're through, you're going to let me know. So now that you're through with the classwork, let us look into your answers and see. So the first box in number 1, what did you put in the first box?
In the first book, I put 6.
You put 6, okay. What about the second box in number 1?
18.
18. Okay, what about the first box in number 2?
15.
15. And the second box in number 2?
60.
6. What do you call it?
60.
60 or
60.
60. Wow. Let us check it, okay? Okay.
Okay.
Now, If I want to check your work, I'm just going to look for number to divide 6 into 12. That will give me 3 over 4. 2 here, 3, 2 here, 4. That is correct, okay? Then let me look for number to divide this. If it's going to give me 3 over 4 too. Can anything give me 3 over 4 with 18 over 15? The only number that divide this to give me 3 is 6. But 6 doesn't divide this, so that means there's something wrong with this one. Okay,
Okay.
good. Let us now check the second one. 2 times, okay, let's check the second one by dividing 3 here, 2, and 3 here, 5. That means you're correct with that, okay? But of course, this one is an improper fraction already, which is not a fraction because 60 over 20 is already 3 and it's not a fraction. So let's look into the correction. I can see that out of the 4, you got 2 correctly well, which is this and this, okay? And that will be 2 over 4. But that doesn't really matter for now. What matters is you getting to know what the correction should be, okay? So 3 over 4, you are right by saying 6 over 12. Let us now check with 20. 4 times what? Give me 20.
4 times 4 times.
Is it 4
I'm not
times?
sure.
Is it 4 times 5?
That's 10.
Wait. 4 times 5 will give me 20, okay?
Huh?
Yeah. You know, 4 times 1 is what? 4. 4 times 2 is what? 8. 4 times 3 is what? 12. 4 times 4 is what? 16. And what is 4 times 5?
4 times 5 is 20.
Now, do you understand that? Do you get that?
Yeah.
Now, what is 5 times 3?
5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15.
So 15 should be the answer and not 18, okay?
Oh, I was actually really close, but I just put 8.
So then the second one, 2, we have 2 over 5, and you were right by saying 6 over 15. But the third one, something over 20, okay?
Okay.
5 times what? Give me 20.
5 times 4.
Good. So what is 4 times 2?
4 times 2 is 6.
Is what?
6.
No. 4 times 2 is what?
8.
8. So the answer should be 8 and not 60, okay?
I'm equal to 6 and 15.
Yeah, you know, this one is correct, but this one, okay?
Okay, but I'm equal to 6 and 15 since I'm age 8.
This is 8 over 20, okay? Now, take note of your correction, then I'm going to send this homework to your mom on WhatsApp. Alright. So, correct this one in your notes. Take note of the correction, okay? Write the correction in your note right now before we close. Then the homework you're going to do is going to be this. Let me see. We have, say, let's say we have number 1, 2 over 3 equal to something over 9. Yeah, 2 over 3 is something over 9. And that is also 12 over something. So,
Um, are you going to write it down and take a picture of it and then send it to my mom?
yes, yes, I'm going to send the classwork to homework to your mom, okay?
Thank you.
So this is 12 or something. That's number one. Then number two, we can have 1 over 6 equal to something over 12, then equal to 6 over something. And we're going to look at one more question, I think. Number three, assignment. Let's say 3 over 4. Okay. Oh, hold on, hold on. Okay. I just looked at your classwork now. This first one should not be 6, okay? 4 times 3 gives 12, right? And 3 times 3 should give 9, okay? So this is supposed to be 9, and we can say this is not the real score, okay?
Okay.
But I want you to really take note of this in your homework. Is that clear?
Okay.
Take note of it in your homework. But the second one is correct because 5 times 3 and 2 times 3. And that's it. So this one we're going to have, this is equal to, let's say, 24 over something. And finally, equal to something over 80. Okay? Is that clear? I will send it to your mom. I'll send the notes too. And this is where we're going to be rounding up the class for today, okay?
Okay.
So, bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.